revolution will be televised.
Hello, you're now rocking with Jay. Welcome to my channel. Beautiful, isn't it? In trying to bring forth some content that I thought that my first set of viewers would be interested in, I thought about bringing forth something a little on the budget side. Because in setting all of this up, this beautiful channel, I got into a little bit of problems, and I thought that how can I start a channel and I don't even have camera, mics, proper setup. So I scoured the internet, did some research, and I got some cool stuff that I would like to bring to you in how to set up a YouTube channel with just a budget. So the next couple of content that you will see on my page will just be me just presenting to you a couple of budget items that I thought that would be of importance to you in setting up your first YouTube channel. Maybe look as good as mine. Maybe not. Just kidding. But other than that, let's get into it. And we're back. We're ready to do this unboxing, and I hope you guys are ready. Let's break out the tools. First of all, we need some unboxing gloves. On top of that, unboxing knife, aka small chook, glovina. Let's get ready. Don't know what we're gonna expect. Don't know what to expect when we open up these boxes. We don't. I ordered this from AliExpress. Still sealed. So it's gonna be a surprise for me as it is for you. And this is what we try to do. Bring it to you raw. Here's what's in the box, or bag should I say. It's empty. Throw it up to the side. Okay. Ordered this from AliExpress. I'll try the link in the description so you can check that out. But there's many other sites that you can order it. Me living in the Netherlands, I just chose to go that route and order it from AliExpress. But you can also get this from Amazon.com and Amazon.de, that's in Germany. And I'll throw those links, like I said, in the description below. So let's see what all you get. You get a stand. Okay. Mini stand. To help you out. And before I go any further, let me just say all of this is just, $20. So you can see we're really in that budget arena. So you get a little mini tripod, and you get a holding mount for your mobile phone. That's what I'm filming with right now. I'm filming with my Note 8, my trusty Note 8. I'm gonna soon upgrade to that Note 9. Put what you think about the Note 8 in the comments below, or Note 9 in the comments below, but that's what I'm rocking with right now for my filming needs. Like I said, I'm on a budget. So we got our mini tripod, we got our clamp for our phone to hook it in, to get it all around where we need to get to, point on those low angles, high angles, whatever, you know what to do. Now we might need a small choke here to come in and do some damage. In a nice bag. What I thought was most important besides the video was a good mic. I'm sure you can hear that my audio is really crappy right now. So I thought I'd order this mic. I did a lot of research, got some other ideas from around YouTube, and this one stuck out to me, especially it being a very good price, a budget price. Boya, whatever you want to call it, probably butchering the name. Comes in a nice soft, pouch, faux leather pouch, and we have the mic inside. It looks sturdy. Really don't know how to work it. We'll do a video for that. Right now, this is just an unboxing, just to see what's going on. We have a little covering for the mic here. Looks legit. Just gonna clean these off the table, throw these to the ground, and just present what are we getting here. Yeah, we're done with this box. Right to the side. Stop me now. Can't. Let's just get right out of the way. Show you guys what we're getting here. I'm really liking the mic. It looks really quality grade for what you're getting for 20 bucks. And I'm interested to see what the sound quality would be like, and really giving a proper review. But right now, this is it. This is what you're getting. Mini tripod, getting a sort of a mini gimbal or mini holder for your mobile phone to hold it in, so you can mount it on your mini tripod. Getting the cover for your mic, and you're getting a little faux leather pouch. Oh, something dropped out. Oh, and you got some extensions and some batteries right in here. Don't know if you guys can see that. And it's looking good. Let's move a small trick out of the way. We're done with that for now. It's looking good, you guys. This is what you're getting. Hope that you like everything that you saw so far and you're interested to continue watching, because I have a lot more great content for you to view. And just remember, let's start it off good, start it off right. Let's get those likes in. If you feel like there's something I can do better, put it in the comments below. If you feel like there's some advice you want to give me, put it in the comments below. Praise, whatever it is, put it in the comments below. I try my best to answer you right back. And also, don't forget to subscribe. And I don't want you to smash that like button. I don't want you to crush that like button. I want you to destroy it. It's your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.
The revolution will be televised.